So today I'm going to be working on the island and panels, which double down as legs for the countertop. The key here is getting everything nice and square when I'm doing the glue up, making sure all the corners are tight and flush. The ends of these are going to get a solid wood, and they're going to be flush with the doors. I'm just going to do the final sanding here before finishing. I've been called crazy for working on my own. It's simple. I'm not on my own. I got me, myself, and I. Something you guys probably never thought about. The amount of work that goes into making all the lowly trim, the light rail, crown molding, base molding, fillers. However, at the end of the day, those are the small items that can make or break a project in terms of if it looks like it was DIY'd or if it looks like a professional did it. If you want a project to look like a professional did it, you either hire a professional or become a professional. How much work really goes into cutting the boxes of a kitchen? If that's a question you ever asked yourself, then this video is the perfect answer for you. I don't think it's that interesting to watch, but if you're following the whole series of building the kitchen, it would be a disservice to not show you this part. Frameless cabinets have always been popular in Europe, but in the last couple of years they've started gaining popularity here in the States. The advantage of a frameless cabinet, of course, is that you could do a much smaller gap between the doors and it's all a uniform look. Hey guys, so today we cut all the cabinet parts and I'm gonna get ready here to mark and install all of the tracks. I cut some templates for the drawer slides and let's get to it. So I tried to come up with a carpentry pun that would work. Instead, I'll tell you a dad joke. What did the bed say to the dresser? I could see your drawers. So we got to a point in the build where we're doing all the finishing touches before we build the cabinets. This is how I drill shelf holes. In bigger shops they have a drill press with multiple bits, but I'm a smaller shop. I don't only do cabinets, I do a whole bunch of custom carpentry work, and I use this cool jig from Rockler.